Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to upgrade Todoist to Pro. Todoist is a powerful task manager that helps you organize everything you need to do from your work project and study to daily errands all in one place. You can create tasks and set deadlines and priorities and organize with labels and filters. It works on phones, tablets and the computer. Free version is great, but the Todoist Pro gives you extra features that help you to get more organized and productive, including reminders, filters, automatic backups, task comments and file uploads, themes, and productivity insights. And this tool makes Todoist more powerful for the teams and the power users. First, you need to open any of the Google web browser. And in the top, there's this address bar. Type down todoist.com and enter it. And make sure to log into your account if you already have not. So over here, we could see select to this profile icon in the top left. Over here, you can also select your monthly or annual plan. With the currency, you can select your currency that you want to prefer to put it down. And after that, you can select get your free trial. And after that, you can use your Pro for free for 7 days, and you can also use it as the yearly. And after you're done, select to this icon right over here. Upgrading to Todoist Pro is quick and makes your task management much more flexible and powerful. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.